What if your home could be smarter, neater, and more efficient, all thanks to a few genius Amazon finds? Well, 2025 is all about convenience, and these 25 gadgets are leading the revolution, from high-tech upgrades to clever time savers. These must-haves are changing how people live. Let's dive into the coolest Amazon gadgets everyone's adding to their homes right now. Struggling to open stubborn jar lids? This manual adjustable jar opener is your kitchen lifesaver. With its strong grip and adjustable design, it easily twists off tight lids without straining your hands. A must-have for effortless opening. Say hello to space-saving comfort with this sofa cum bed. Perfect for small spaces. It seamlessly transforms from a cozy seating area into a comfy bed in seconds. Whether you've got guests over or just want to relax, this stylish multifunctional piece adds both function and flair to your living room. Say goodbye to messy bags and hello to organized convenience with this rice dispenser. Designed for easy storage and precise dispensing, it keeps your rice fresh, dry, and ready to use. With a simple push, it releases just the right amount. No more overpouring or waste. Perfect for kitchens that value both functionality and cleanliness. This dispenser is a must-have for smart, hassle-free cooking. Maximize your bathroom space with this slim storage bathroom cabinet. Its sleek, vertical design fits perfectly in tight corners, offering ample storage for toiletries, towels, and more. A stylish, space-saving solution for clutter-free living. Keep your shower essentials organized and within reach with this suction cup corner shower caddy. Featuring strong suction for a drill-free installation, it securely sticks to smooth surfaces and fits perfectly into any corner. Its rust-proof design and drainage holes keep things clean and dry, perfect for modern, clutter-free bathrooms. Keep your wardrobe neat and tidy with this foldable clothes storage box, designed for space-saving convenience. It's perfect for storing seasonal clothes, linens, or accessories. The sturdy structure holds its shape, while the collapsible design makes it easy to tuck away when not in use. A smart, stylish solution for organized living. Upgrade your kitchen space with this wall-mounted utensils holder. This sleek and sturdy organizer keeps your most used tools within easy reach while freeing up valuable counter space. With strong adhesive backing and multiple compartments, it's perfect for modern, clutter-free kitchens. Say goodbye to messy drawers and hello to smart, vertical storage. Meet the portable mini USB washing machine, your compact laundry solution on the go. Perfect for small loads, baby clothes, or travel use. This tiny washer plugs into any USB port and gets to work with powerful ultrasonic cleaning. Lightweight, foldable, and easy to use, it's ideal for dorms, RVs, or quick hand wash replacements. Transform your breakfast into a fun masterpiece with this egg mold shaper. Whether you want heart-shaped, starry, or smiley eggs, this handy tool adds creativity to your meals. Made from food-grade silicone, it's heat-resistant, non-stick, and super easy to clean. Perfect for pancakes too, making breakfast exciting for both kids and adults alike. Track your fitness progress with ease using this retractable body measuring tape. Designed for accuracy and convenience, it features a push-button retraction and locking pin to measure all body parts with one hand. Whether you're monitoring gains, weight loss, or tailoring, this compact tool makes measurements quick, simple, and precise. A must-have for fitness lovers and DIYers. Blast away dirt and grime effortlessly with this electric high-pressure washer. Perfect for cleaning cars, driveways, patios, and more. It delivers powerful water pressure in a compact design, making tough cleaning jobs faster and easier. Say goodbye to uncomfortable cotton swabs with this earwax removal kit. Designed for safe and effective cleaning, it features soft, flexible tips and a user-friendly design to gently remove earwax without any risk of damage. Keep your ears clean, healthy, and refreshed with this must-have hygiene gadget. Keep your soap dry and your sink area mess-free with this self-adhesive soap holder. Designed to stick firmly to any smooth surface, it requires no drilling and installs in seconds. Its drainage design prevents sogginess, extending the life of your soap. A simple yet smart solution to keep your bathroom or kitchen organized and tidy. Tired of your rugs constantly slipping or curling at the edges? These anti-slip rug gripper pads are the perfect fix. Designed with strong adhesive and a non-slip grip, they keep your rugs securely in place on any floor surface. No more bunching or sliding, just smooth, safe, and flat rugs. Reusable and easy to apply, they're a must-have for every home. Upgrade your shower instantly with this self-adhesive shower head holder. No drilling, no tools, just peel, stick, and enjoy. It firmly holds your shower head in place and can be adjusted to any height, making it perfect for kids or elders. A quick and convenient bathroom essential. Speed up your dumpling game with this double-head dumpling maker. Designed to shape and seal 2 dumplings at once, it's a total time saver for your kitchen. Just place the dough, add filling, press, and voila! Perfect dumplings in seconds. Ideal for family dinners, parties, or quick snacks with zero mess. Keep your little one close and your hands free with this baby sling carrier. Comfortable, breathable, and secure, it's perfect for bonding on the go. Whether you're shopping or walking, it makes parenting easier and cozier. These compressed facial sponges are a skincare essential you wish you found sooner. Just add water and watch them expand into soft, durable sponges perfect for gentle cleansing, makeup removal, or exfoliation. They're eco-friendly, reusable, and ideal for daily use. Compact and travel-ready, these sponges are a must-have for your beauty routine. Clean skin, the smart way. This suction cup washboard brings old-school cleaning into the modern age. Simply stick it to your sink or tub and start scrubbing. No slipping, no hassle. Its compact, sturdy design makes hand-washing small clothes, delicates, or baby items quick and efficient. A handy tool for effortless, space-saving laundry anywhere. Keep pesky mosquitoes at bay in style with this mosquito coil holder. Designed for safety and aesthetics, it securely holds burning coils while preventing ash mess. Its ventilated, durable structure ensures even burning, perfect for both indoor and outdoor use. A must-have for peaceful, bite-free nights. Turn your backyard into a splash zone with this inflatable swimming pool. Easy to set up, durable, and spacious enough for the whole family. It's perfect for summer fun. Whether for kids or adults, it's your go-to for instant refreshment and relaxation on hot days. This 5-in-1 stackable cube stool is the definition of smart space-saving design. Use it as a stool, storage box, side table, or even a footrest. It's lightweight, stackable, and super versatile. Perfect for small apartments, dorms, or anywhere you need multifunctional furniture with a modern twist. Seal freshness in seconds with this portable mini sealer machine. Perfect for resealing snack bags, food packets, and more. It keeps your food crisp and mess-free. Compact, lightweight, and USB rechargeable. It's a must-have for every kitchen and travel bag. Upgrade your kitchen organization with this sleek kitchen storage cabinet. Designed to maximize space while keeping your essentials within reach, it offers multiple shelves and compartments for storing utensils, groceries, and more. Its modern design blends seamlessly with any decor, making it a practical and stylish addition to your home. Keep your fridge neat and your drinks easily accessible with this soda can dispenser. Designed for convenience, it automatically rolls cans forward as you take one out. Whether it's soda, juice, or sparkling water, this organizer ensures your favorite beverages are always ready to grab and go. Make washing hands, fruits, or dishes easier with this flexible water tap extender. Its adjustable design allows you to direct the water flow exactly where you need it. Perfect for kids or low sinks. It adds convenience and improves reach effortlessly. Plus, it's super easy to install and fits most standard faucets. Maximize every inch of your space with this expandable tension shelf. Designed to fit snugly between cabinets, closets, or under sinks, it adds instant storage without the need for tools or drilling. Its adjustable length and strong grip make it perfect for organizing kitchenware, toiletries, or cleaning supplies in seconds. Make cleaning effortless with this electric spin scrubber, featuring powerful rotating bristles and multiple interchangeable heads. It tackles stubborn dirt, grime, and soap scum on tiles, tubs, sinks, and floors with ease. The cordless design and extendable handle let you reach every corner without bending or scrubbing by hand. Say goodbye to back-breaking cleaning and hello to sparkling surfaces. Keep your floors dry and safe with this non-slip water absorbent mat. Designed with quick drying technology and a super absorbent surface, it soaks up water instantly, perfect for bathrooms, kitchens, and entryways. The anti-skid bottom grips firmly to any surface, preventing slips and falls. Stylish, functional, and easy to clean, it's a must-have for every home. Make floor cleaning effortless with this spray mop. Designed for convenience, it features a built-in refillable bottle that lets you spray just the right amount of water or cleaning solution with a simple trigger. The microfiber pad lifts dust, dirt, and spills without leaving streaks behind. Lightweight and easy to maneuver, it's perfect for tiles, hardwood, laminate, and more. Say goodbye to bulky buckets and hello to a faster, smarter clean with this all-in-one spray mop. Upgrade your kitchen with this smart waterfall kitchen sink that blends style with innovation. Featuring a sleek, modern design, it includes a multifunctional pull-out faucet, adjustable water flow, and a stunning waterfall-style rinse for better coverage and efficiency. The integrated accessories like cutting board, drying rack, and drain basket make meal prep and cleanup seamless. It's not just a sink. It's a full workstation that transforms your kitchen experience with elegance and practicality. If these gadgets impressed you, just wait till you see what's coming next. Subscribe now so you never miss out on the coolest Amazon finds that can totally transform your space. Hit that bell icon, and we'll see you in the next video full of smart living hacks and must-have gear.